Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to basically tell if your niche is oversaturated and how to basically know if your niche is oversaturated and your lane is clear. So alright, so let's continue with the video. Alright, so first thing I want to basically tell y'all before we get into the video. So you shouldn't be worrying about females. That's about right. So you're building a repeatability system, and you don't worry about other people's options as long as you're following YouTube's guidelines and you're not harming or harassing anybody or and you want to be creating original content, transformative content, consistently improving your videos, improving your ideas. So like I said, as long as you're not shading, attacking, or targeting anybody, then you're simply good. So focus on growing your own business and focus on staying out the way. Alright. Alright, so next thing I want to tell y'all too, and then, like I said, I probably said in my other videos how I want to fight a guru, box, what I don't care about all that other shit, bro. You feel me? It was all jokes aside, so I'm not fighting nobody at all. But because I know we don't listen to gurus no more. They're all liars. So also, you don't have to be actual speed. Those are two different goals. Being an actual celebrity or creator, your face, your personality, live streams, huge fan base, owning profitable Faceless channels, meaning that you could build media assets that generates you revenue for years, affiliations, income, licensing, other revenue streams, brands, deals. You can reach out to you could partner with them. There's many things you could do with a Faceless channel, so it could go a long way with it. So there are plenty of YouTubers that have Faceless channels that has made over $1,000, tens of thousands of dollars, even close to probably millions. So based on what your your strategy is, building multiple channels, different niches. We're basically experimenting, not having a personality on camera, not doing crazy things for the camera. So if one of your channels slow down or one of your channels like stop growing and you move to the next one, so that's what I'm going to be showing y'all in this video, how to like tell if your niche is oversaturated or how to tell if your lane is good. Alright, so instead of like comparing yourself to actual speed, you want to basically compare yourself to your metrics. So is your views increasing? Is your ideas getting better? Is your click-through rate improving from the last videos? Or is you want to focus on building another channel just like that one, but you want to improve all your assets. So a creator with over 100 million subscribers may have far more attention than ones that are running multiple channels with several successful Faceless channels. So that's widely reckoned. So without being widely recognized. So no, you don't have to be actual speed. The next actual speed. This is if your goal is financial freedom, because usually scaling profitable Faceless channels. So y'all goal is to have some financial freedom and like have some freedom time. So I don't mean go and chill with your girl. I mean you got some freedom time to you chill with yourself. So your goal is not like to stay on camera and entertain and like be act a fool. So that's what I don't teach you how to do that. Alright, so next thing we want to do is for today's video, we're gonna be using I'm gonna be using one of my military channels, and so I'm gonna come over to here and we're gonna be using Manus. So if y'all don't know what Manus is a great tool, and so we're gonna be using Manus today, and so I'm gonna go to view. I'm gonna basically go to view YouTube channel right here. Alright, so I'm gonna basically do is go over to my shorts. And like I said, do not fight with the people in the comments. Humans reply to negative things quickly, so we hesitated. We don't pay no attention. So we keep going with it. Alright, so what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna basically come over there. I'm gonna basically go to Manus. So Manus is a great tool site where we could basically use to like look through the metadata of our competitors and see if our niche lane is clear and it's not like oversaturated. So I'm gonna go to Manus. Alright, so what I'm smoothly just going to do is go to file. I'm going to go to download. I'm going to go to docx. So I'm going to just download this docx. I'm going to now just drag this over here. So you see we drag it. Alright, so next thing what I'm going to do is basically come over there. I'm going to basically copy my channel link. And I'm basically going to go back over there. I'm just going to paste it. So I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to paste it. I'm going to now copy my we already copied the whole link. So what I'm now going to do is smoothly I'm going to gather 1 of 4 of our competitors, 1 of 5. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to just copy this competitor's link. I'm gonna just go back to manage. I'm gonna just paste it. So I'm gonna say my competitor. So what we just want to do is just paste all these URLs here, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you what the tool is gonna basically do. It's gonna go through the metadata and look through our competitors to make sure our lanes aren't like not overflooded and not oversaturated. So yeah, so I'm also paste that link here, and I'm also get one more. So we could do one and 4, 1 and 5, depends on what y'all want to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to this one. I'm gonna just paste this one here. I'm gonna just go this one. I'm gonna just paste that one here, and I'm also gonna paste this one here. So I'm gonna also go over to this one right here, naval I'm gonna go to the military man. So I think we already pasted that. So yes, let's see. Military man, we already pasted that. So I'm gonna go back over there. So I'm gonna basically find us another one right here. So yeah, so this prompt will be on the Google Drive link where you guys could go in and check it out at. So yeah, so what I'm smoothly gonna do is smoothly just go over to another one. So we wanna like gather another competitor similar that's in our niche. But yeah, so what I'm basically gonna do is come up to this. I'm gonna scroll up. So I'm gonna go over to Alright, so what I like to do is smoothly just I like to just smoothly just scroll up a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my subscriptions. I'm gonna go to all my futures. So I'm gonna basically show you. I'm gonna go all futures, and what I'm gonna basically see right here is basically all of the channels I'm subscribed to. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to all subscriptions right here, and I'm basically gonna see all the channels I'm really subscribed to. Alright, so you can see that we're subscribed to King AK, but he's not underneath. But yeah. But AK's my boy. I fuck with AK. He the one who kept me going in this YouTube stuff. But yeah. All right, so let's go there. Let's go to military. Let's go down. All right, so we just want to find another Faceless channel. Alright, so we're gonna use Battlefield should work. So let's open this up. We just gotta make sure he's not long form. So yeah, because if you're doing long form, you wanna just bring it to a long form one. So he's not doing long form, he's short form. So yeah, so let's go to videos. Alright, so we can see that he's short form. So yeah, don't do shorts and long form on the same channel. It's not gonna work out. Alright, so we're gonna basically just copy this link here. You can see if we go to videos, he has smoothly 29 million views. Alright, so it's a good thing. So what I'm going to do is just paste this link here. Alright, so we got all of our competitors. So I'm going to say the Combat Mine one is my channel. The next ones are my competitors. Alright, so we just want to hit internal manage. And what manage is going to do is it's smoothly going to like go through the data. It's going to basically look through the data of YouTube, and it's going to go through it with a laptop and basically scan through all of our competitors' data to see like if our niche lane is cool and we're not basically over flooded. So yeah, so what I'm also going to do is you see it's going to go through its tool. It's going to do its thing. It's going to go through the link we just basically through the document link we just pasted. So you can see that it's basically going through the YouTube metadata. So what it's basically doing is looking through the metadata. You can see as it's looking through our channel and it's going through the web page. It's looking through articles, looking on Social Blade. It's gathering everything from all these sources, and it's going to basically tell us like if our lane is oversaturated, if our lane is clear. So you see spooky reds. It's just going to go through all these ones right here. So it's going to basically go through all these channels right here, and yeah. So what I'm smoothly just going to do is smoothly make sure that I go back over there, and I'm going to go to show more, and I'm going to just replace Spooky Red's channel. So I'm going to go over to Spooky Red's right here. I'm going to just go to hit this right here. I'm going to just scroll down. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to basically copy this right here. I'm going to copy it and repaste it here, and I'm going to say this is Spooky Red's. This is Spooky Red's channel. Alright, so we just want to paste it there. Alright, so we want to paste it there right there. So thank you for providing Spooky Reds. Alright, so you see that we give it our competitors. It's going to basically scan through our competitors' channel, and it's going to gather this data, and it's going to let us know like if our lane is like oversaturated or our niche is like not. So yeah, so this is the most important part. This is what this prompt is used for, and this prompt is going to basically let us know from the results. But yeah, so you can see it's going to go through it. It's going to finish scanning through it. So yeah, so we just wait for it to finish up. So easy, we're searching red. We analyzing documents. It's going to basically analyze YouTube metrics, analyze articles. It's analyzing everything, and it's going to let us know like if our niche is oversaturated itself or if it's like clear. So yeah, so you can see it's going through social blade. It's doing everything it could do to basically scan through our channel to make sure that we're not like oversaturated and we're not like so yeah. So like I said, AI is really good at this. It's good at going through the metadata. It knows exactly what it got to do. So yeah. So we smoothly just sit back and let YouTube basically let the AI tool just do all the work for us. So yeah, so like I said, it's way easier. I'm not touching nothing, and you guys will see that it's literally on a PC. It's doing its own thing, it's scanning through the YouTube metadata. But yeah, so that's all we just got to do. And like I said, it's way easier. But yeah, so like I said, it's gonna go through the spooky reds and scan through all my channels. So what I'm gonna smoothly do is I see that it's having mistakes reviewing my channel. So I'm gonna basically come over there more. I'm gonna basically go to this. I'm gonna basically go to share. I'm gonna go to share channel. I'm gonna just copy my URL. I'm gonna paste it. So I'm gonna go there, paste it, and yeah. So I'm gonna go to here. All right. So AI tool knows exactly what it gotta do. So it's gonna basically like gather our URL, and yeah. So like I said, AI is really smart, and it knows like AI has intelligence. It has built-in models. It knows exactly what it gotta do. So yeah. So it's gonna scan through it. It gets our URL, and yeah. It's basically gonna scan through our lane. And what I'm also gonna do smoothly is. What I'm going to smoothly do is I'm going to basically now come over to my document link, and I'm going to basically just go to Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is smoothly just bring them out 104 pillars. So that way it scans to our pillars too. And if you have your 104 pillars and have your 104 title from us, like I said, this will help you out in the long run, and it will save you a bit of time with AI. So that way AI don't like overcomplicate. So that way you could get things done quicker. So yeah. So well. What I'm smoothly just gonna do is modify this from last 7 days. All right, so I'm smoothly gonna do is I'm gonna just open this up. Goof art. I'm gonna go right here. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna just go to Combat Man. Alright, so I'm gonna just go to Combat Man July 9th, and I'm gonna go over to smoothly over to here. So this should work. Alright, so we wanna see our date. July 23rd. Alright, so July 23rd, combat. Alright, so you can see that we have all of our channel framework data. Alright, so I'm smoothly just gonna do is look for one like July 20th right here. So this work. Alright, so what I'm gonna smoothly do is basically I'm smoothly just gonna come over there. I'm gonna basically copy and paste all this data basically and give it back to AI. So yeah, so like I said, we wanna make sure that we're doing this. So you wanna make sure that you're following along, just so you don't overcomplicate things or mislead things. So yeah, so we go to July 21st. Yeah, so July 21st is this is where we at. So we're at this right here. So we're at July 21st. This is our exact link. So where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one right here. And we just smoothly want to open up this file where it say July 21st. So this right here is our channel DNA. We want to smoothly just go to here and open it up. And if we check the dates right here, you can see it's July 23rd. So this was like a few days ago. So what I'm smoothly just gonna do is I'm smoothly gonna come in here. I'm smoothly just gonna go file. I'm smoothly just gonna go docx. And what I'm gonna do is just drag this right here. I'm gonna basically paste this. I'm gonna say so. This is my combat mine data. So I'm just gonna go to here and I'm just gonna give it this, and I'm just giving my combat mine data. So you can see right here. So thank you for this. Alright, so what I'm smoothly just gonna do is make sure I basically like replace this file into this folder. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a new folder. So we just repasted it. So yeah, we pasted it, so it's good. All right, so you guys see that's inside this folder, and we gotta rename. You can see rename Combat Man hashtag 2026. So you see if we scroll down, you can see that we see it right here. So this is the one right here that we literally just got. So you see 6:17 a.m. me 2.2 megabytes. Yeah. So you can see if we see right here, you see it's July 23rd. So yeah, 2026. So yeah, so everything's real, and yeah. All right, so what AI is going to smoothly do is looking through all of our data. It's using this virtual computer, and it's like I said, it's scanning through the data, and it's scanning through all the metrics, and it's going to basically let us know of the review of when it's done, and when it as a fully review for our channel, let us know if our niche is good, if we're oversaturated, and it's going it's scanning through all of our competitors. We give it one of 4 of our competitors, so we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we give it at least 6 of our competitors, which is a great thing. So yeah, so that boosts our chances to make sure that we are good, and yeah. So we also gave it Combat Man right here. So you see right here. So we gave it our Combat Man channel right here. So yeah. So we gave it all of our data. We gave it all of our competitor data, and yeah. Alright. So smoothly, what I'm going to smoothly do is it tells DXC. So your lane is out. So Combat Man. This is I don't Combat Man. So yeah. So we don't have 21,000 subscribers. So what I'm going to smoothly do is tell it that these are the amount of subscribers that we have. So you want to make sure that you go through it and you update it right here. So I'm gonna just copy this right here. I'm gonna just tell Manus that I don't have 21,000 subscribers. I don't have 21K subscribers. All right, so we just want to go to share and just copy this right here, and we just want to paste it. Re-update the data of the TXT, not wrong information. Oh yeah, because we don't want wrong information. We need to have the right information. So yeah, so you basically tell that we don't have the amount of subscribers. No lie to the AI, because AI is gonna do its thing. It's gonna make it easier for us, so that way we can know what works for a lane. And yeah, so it's gonna do this and get everything ready. It's gonna let us know. So yeah, you see. So I apologize in the air. Subscriber count. My script is mistakenly picked up there. So you see the correct status right here. So you can see that we updated. So your niche lane is health. Analyze report, so metrics right here, 600 subscribers, over arms right here, over 800K. So as you see, so we scroll down, we have over total views, we have over 300,000 right here. So you see average views, we average views 1.2K high right here, medium, low. So you see low. So I'm gonna scroll down, and it's gonna basically tell us for strategy pillars, we have this 1 of 4 pillars, and you see, so it's gonna basically do a fingerprint on our script. So you see, so what I'm gonna smoothly have to do is basically put like in a file. So yeah, I'm gonna have to like update the file and let us know. So results. Alright, so yeah, so it's gonna basically update the file and let us know if our lane's like safe and oversaturated or whatever. So you see, it's gonna basically do its thing. It's gonna go back on his computer and search through the YouTube metadata. So yeah, so like I said, man, this is really great from when it comes to using this prompt. So yeah, so all you just gotta do is type the Manus right here. You see Manus that literally gives all his data. Your niche lane, analyze report, and you tell us like you see right here, it puts arm stories, our competitors. So you see our competitors subscriber count, and you can see so Combat Man right here. So yeah, it puts all of our competitors data. We scroll down just a bit, and you can see so niche safely right here, saturated to 26. So status highly safe right here, under leverage right here. So engineering something. So while military history that are out, so war news that are out can be crowded. Your specific focus is on military, like engineering technology is a green lane. So easy. So the high barrier to entry is unlike a generic reactions gaming nieces. So yeah, so y'all make sure that high barrier to entry is like safe. So evergreen demand is topics like SR17, B2, Spirit, So if we scroll down a bit, you can see so it basically gives our content. So yeah, our script data, yeah. So you can see recommendations right here. So report updated gives like a framework to our channel. So yeah, so we don't gotta worry about that right now. So we wanna worry about this movie. So we could basically like have it put like a green dot in the X. So updated the file to a green dot and a X of what I should do. So I should continue to do sorts, right? Is my lane clear and it's not oversaturated. So my goal is to hit 10 million views. Is it too oversaturated for me to grow my combat one from it? Update the file. Let me know. So you just gotta let it. You just gotta talk to AI until like update the file, and it's gonna basically let us know like that insights in the data. Alright, so you can see right here updates. Your lane is safe. Channel combat map right here. So niche lane status green. So saturation low. This is demand high. Every interest topic right here is military power 2026. So you see so profitable right here. Ad tech comment higher CPMs long term. So you see right here. So niche status right here is green. So your niche lane is not oversaturated. High value right here. So if we scroll down a bit, you see the verdict. Your lane is clear. You're not competing with generic so we're news channels right here. Channels, you are building authority in channels, military engineering. So you see, so goal is 10 million, 100 million views roadmap. So yeah, so what I'm gonna have to do is like check that right there and just put 10 million views. So you see phase 1 right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna just tell for shorts, I'm gonna say updated for shorts 10 million views, not 100 million, to get monetized for shorts. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is maybe just like have it update the file again. So yeah, so like I said, you gotta go through it a few times and have it updated. So you see I'm updating your roadmap file right here. So 10 million views on shorts. That's the main factor which you gotta hit to get monetized. So yeah, so like I said, y'all wanna use this prompt right here, and y'all wanna pay close attention to everything that we're saying. So you see these status right here, green, safe. So your lane is cleared, high value. So you see the shorts, the 10 million shorts view roadmap is they get monetized right here. So you need 10 million views right here. So public sources So yeah, so I'm gonna scroll down. I'm just gonna say step 1 is high frequency upload strategy. So target 2 shorts per day, spaced out 10 to 20 hours apart. So you see, so why you need at least lottery checkers are so in the album into the military text lane. So your one viral topic that SR can generate 2 to 5 million views alone. So you see right here. So step 2 is viral fingerprint optimized. So to hit 10 million views on every short must retention must be lacking. So you see the 0-3 second hook starts with the X contributions So you example, so the B12 is invisible so you see next is curiosity gap. So example, so if a radar can see it, why can't missiles hit it? So you see, like we want to create curiosity gap in our scripts and our hooks. 0-3 seconds right here is the most intriguing part. And yeah, so we're gonna start for the hook. So yeah, 3 to 15 seconds. So you see the 15 to 45 seconds right here. So yeah, it's like basically the payout part. So yeah, so explain the engineering your unique pillar. So yeah, so alright, so you see step 3 right here. So explain your unique pillar. But yeah, so I'm gonna scroll down, and it's gonna basically tell us like a high volume topic track. So you see, focus on 80% of your content on these high profitable viral topics right here to hit 10 million view mark. So you see, we hit this SR2 right here. We focus on this. We focus on this. We focus on this. We focus on this. So you see, your monetization X right here. What to do now is double down on shorts 2 times. Yeah. So what I'm gonna have to do is basically better explain everything in that file. So you see, reaching 10 million view shorts. Yeah. So update the file again and better explain everything for beginners friendly, please, for me. Alright, so what we're gonna do is update the file and explain things way better, like for beginner friendly. So yeah, so that's all you gotta basically tell. So I will simplify, but yeah, so like I said, that's how you basically check for your lane. And yeah, so being that Manus could go through, like, watch the channels, ChatGPT can't do that. So that's why I say you want to use Manus. Manus could go through and, like, see all of our competitors' data. So yeah, you see, YouTube growth roadmap comment man right here is my main channel safe green zone right here status. So you see, so it basically goes through and better explain it right here. So you see, so we scroll down. So you see the day 2 rule is what sources do you want to do 2 times source for every day. So I'm gonna say update it to the times I post and avoid for 1 or 2 shorts a day to hit 10 million views, and which days and time I should post. Alright, so it's going to mainly just go through and update the file for us, but yeah. So you can see, so best time to post is going to go through Google, pull through the analyst, pull facts from Google, so it's going to pull facts from Google for the best time we should post, like, for shorts to hit that 10 million view mark. So yeah, so like I said, guys, it gets way easier for here. If you like this video will be literally on a Google Drive link. So you see YouTube growth roadmap comment man TV. So you see, so the best days to post is you want to post Wednesday, you want to post Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Engagement right here. Monday, good days is Monday, Thursday. So yeah, weekly strategy Saturday and Sunday right here. So you see casuals, but yeah, for casual viewers. So you see daily figures right here. So 1 to 3 shorts. I do a target 2 to 3 shorts per day. This is why that. So the military niche is global. Posting times 2 to 3 times. 80 different time zones right here. U.S. Europe, but yeah. So and we have global audience. So yeah. So I'm gonna scroll down. So you can see right here. So the spooky words right here. Secret script format. The hook and the why right here. So the secret and yeah. So I'm gonna scroll down again. So this is simple X right here. Your daily do this is post 2 to 3 shorts per day. Use search keywords right here. Master this. Alright, so I'm gonna basically have it do update my permanent script structure I use for every script, and my 1 of 4 pillars, and my 1 of 4 title formulas, and give me a list of the month I use each pillar for, like the days, and yeah, how many days to use that pillar for, and do as many titles under that one pillar for before switching to boost my chance to go viral quicker. 1 of 4 pillars permanently, and my 1 of 4 title formulas, and my 1 script structure, and my 1 of 4 permanent hook types, starting words, and the hook types I avoid, and the title formulas I avoid. So it's going to go through and update all this data for our 1 of 4 pillars, or 1 of 4 title formulas, everything we avoid, and that way, and it's going to tell us like 1 of 4 how many videos we should like give it, so that way we know. So yeah, it's going to make things a bit easier, so that way I don't overcomplicate things. But yeah, so this is how you check. This video is for y'all to check for your niece, to see if your niece lane is cool, see if it's safe. That way you don't like overcomplicate things and get things wrong. So that way you can hit that 10 million view and get monetized. So yeah, so I'm out, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and be sure to actually drop a like in the comments and hit the comment, because I don't know why some of y'all don't comment on my video, which y'all should be commenting. So y'all comment on other Google videos. Like, I don't know what go through y'all mind. So yeah, so like I said, everybody's mind is different. Yeah, so you see how we have 1 of 4 permanent pillars. We have 1 script structure. We have the impossible hook, the curiosity gap, the generic secret. We have the payoff loop, and then we have the 1 of 4 title formulas, the 1 of 4 permanent title formulas, and then we have the 1 of 4 permanent starting hook types we stick to, and then we have the words that we avoid. So yeah, so we avoid that, and you see monthly posting schedule right here. So we post it right here, so easy right here. We stick with this pillar right here for week 1. We do this pillar, so you see week day 4 to so yeah, so it make things a little bit easier. So yeah, So we give each pillar like, I would say post 2 to 3 times daily. Alright, so I'm gonna basically have it do is I'm gonna basically have it update this file and explain. So alright, so the goal is not to overcomplicate. The goal is to get a roadmap. So what I'm smoothly going to have it do is update this right here. So it's going to basically make us a content posting strategy schedule for the pillar. So yeah, so you should give each pillar like, my goal is like give it 10 and 15 videos. Yeah, so you want to at least give each pillar 10 and 15 videos like when you first start that way. So because like I said, the algorithm it reads through and it knows everything you said in the video. So yeah, so like y'all probably be wondering when I make my videos and I get mad because if I can't really say it. Alright, so you see the 4 permanent pillars: military, engineering, naval warfare, aircraft, ground warfare. So yeah, so we want to scroll down a bit, and you can see so we have one script structure. So we have the impossible hope, we have the curiosity gap, we have the engineering secret, we have the payoff loop, and the next thing is we have the 1 of 4 permanent title formers, and then we have the so the pillar switch logic is 10 and 15 videos video rule. Daily posting rules is frequency. So post 3 shorts per day. Times is 10 a.m., 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. So that's the best times you should post. So when to switch versus when to stick to when to switch. So the rule is 10 and 15 rules. So give it each pillar 10 and 15 videos in, and you decide to switch. So the stay trigger right here. So if you are getting 12K views consistently stay in that one pillar, it means that the algorithm has found your audience. But the switch trigger right here. So switch trigger. If you're stuck under 1K to 2K views for 3 videos in a row or more videos in a row, then switch to the next pillar immediately. So yeah. So next thing is viral boost right here. So if a video hits my goal is at least give each like pillar 10 to 15 videos. So the viral boost right here is if a video hits 50,000 views, post 3 more videos on the exact topic. E.g. if a BG2 video goes viral right here, make 3 more. So yeah, I'm gonna basically have it better explain it for y'all. So that way, yeah. So like I said, I'm not here to overcomplicate stuff, and yeah. So I'm gonna basically like have this better explain it like in this file name. So yeah. So. Alright, so you guys can see the 1 of 4 pillars, the 1 script structure. You guys can see the 1 of 4 title formulas, and you guys can see everything right here. So the hook types, contributions, and impossible facts. And yours might be a bit different. So yeah, so the pillars logic switch is 10 and 15 videos rule. So yeah, you want to give each pillar 10 and 15 videos. So the stay rule is 10 and 15 videos. Don't give up right here on that one pillar right here up too early. So you must post at least 10 to 15 videos on that single pillar or aircraft before you decide if a winner loses right here. The algorithm needs this many videos right here to understand like who your audience really is. The stay trigger right here. If videos are consistently, so let's go down. If videos are consistently hitting over 12K views, stop switching. So you want to stop switching. So this is a clear signal that the algorithm has found your audience, and for that pillar is basically working. So you keep posting on that pillar until the views drop. So until the views drop below 12K for several days. So yeah, so a switch trigger right here. If you get stuck in 1K to 2K views for 3 videos in a row, you are view jail for that pillar. So this means that the algorithm isn't finding the right people. Switch to the next pillar. So yeah, so like I said, give each pillar 10 to 15 videos. If they're all getting like 1K to 2K videos, and you're view jail for that pillar, so you switch to the next one. So next thing is, so the viral boost right here, right in the way. So if any single video hits over 50,000 views, you have a viral hit. So you immediately post three more videos on that same exact topic. So example, so if a video submarine hits 60K, your next video should at least be submarine sonar. So what I'm gonna basically have to do is show me an example of how the next video should be. So yeah, cause y'all need show me examples how the next title of the videos should be. Show me how the variations should be. Alright, so it's gonna basically show me examples, and like I said, y'all mess up on that a lot. So yeah, so like I said, I'm out, and this is what y'all needed. And like I said, YouTube is a hard game, but all those sources links will be in the description. So if you want to manually check it out, the manuals links will be in the description. So go ahead and check it out. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and have it go ahead and update this. So all the links will be in the description. Go ahead and check it out manually. So yeah, so like I said, you only have 1 or 4 permanent pillars. I'm not overcomplicating things. I'm not making things hard for your brain. So you see, so how do we write your 3 viral titles so don't repeat just the same exact video? Use your 1 or 4 title formats right here to look at the same topic, so different writers. So example, your video is secret, so the next video should be contributions, the next video should be this, next video should be that, and the next video should be that. So yeah, so you can see you only have 1 or 4 title form, 1 or 4 payment title formats, and yeah. So like I said, it gets way easier from here, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna also have it that, so I can pick from one title from on the list, right, and use that for the variation videos, right? Because if I keep switching, doesn't it mess up the growth? Oh yeah, so if you keep switching, doesn't that basically mess up the growth? So yeah, so you could pick like one on a lane, or like basically, or I can have AI pick of which one fit for the topic I'm doing. So that's the perfect thing. So yeah, update the file. Alright, so what it's going to mainly do is update the file. So it's going to go through update the file first. So this will be our permanent file that we have. So I'm updating the operation system file, right? So double down on this. So yeah, so like I said, this will make things completely easier, and I'm not over here to overcomplicate the game. I'm not selling y'all no course. I'm getting all this information out for free, so just take it and go. So you guys can see right here, so if we scroll down, you can see for the next video. So if we go to add right example, so your video owner, so you should basically use your title format 1, title format 3. So yeah, it depends on what you're doing. So yeah, so you can always have the AI basically pick through your title format. So yeah, yeah. So you get like each pair of 10 or 15 videos, and yeah. Alright, so yeah, so I'm out, and I'm also attach it to the file a prompt. So after 10 to 15 videos and beginner tips, you can let me know to continue with that pillar, or pivot it, or switch it. Alright, so it's going to basically attach it to the prompt and beginner tips. So yeah, so it's going to let us know, like, should we continue with that pillar, and yeah. So after there's so many videos. A decision, guys. So for what you do, so after 10 or 15 videos, it's gonna be like a test phase to let you know if you should switch to the next pillar, or you should pivot at. So that's what this is there for. So you see call up 9 data right here. So yeah, so like I said, the prompt is now basically here, and yeah, so I'm done. Alright, so it's gonna basically add the prompt in the all-in-one file, but yeah, so I'm gonna just go through and I'm gonna get you all three of these files. So if y'all want to smoothly use them, I'm gonna just gather right. I'm gonna come to the top. I'm gonna get y'all all three. So yeah, so like I said, I'm smoothly just gonna go over to my You guys see that we have this one right here. So we have the prompt. So this is the AI master prompt, and we use this as beginners. Tip says watch the view, so don't switch early. So focus on evergreen things. So this will help y'all out to hit that 10 million views. But yeah, like I said, I'm out. And I'm smoothly just gonna go over there. I'm gonna create a new folder. So I'm gonna create a new folder. And if you guys want to check it out, you could check out this prompt. It's gonna be right here in this folder. So I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna basically name it that. And I'm out. I'm gonna just now go to download. I'm gonna go to docx. I'm gonna basically drag it here, and yeah. So I will be sharing you guys this chat, and I will be sharing it to you guys. So if you guys want to go through, check it out. Go ahead. And yeah, I'm also be linking this one too. But yeah, like I said, I'm out though. And guys, remember that. Don't let the egos kill you. Don't chase girls. Don't get in fights with these girls. Don't fight with them. Ignore them. They're bullshit. You don't even have to listen with them. You don't even have to deal with them. So after this video, you won't have to deal with them no more. I'm actually giving you access to. I'm gonna go ahead and show you access to this managed link. It's gonna be below this video, so if you want to check it out. But yeah, like I said, you don't gotta deal with this shit. You don't gotta play with this shit. You could just walk away from this shit, ignore them, and go back on with your career. So yeah, so like I said, you actually doing things yourself and getting everything done. They put your mind in the right mindset, so you don't gotta argue with those fuckers. I mean, I don't mean to call them fuckers, but you don't gotta argue with them. And it's not worth it. Some girls just want to sit there and yap and argue. I don't deal with it, but yeah. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Everything will be in the description. Check it out. So yeah, I'm here to actually tell y'all that the lane is safe. And yeah, so the lane is safe. So I'm gonna also go ahead. So my lane is safe, right? Confirm it. It's not oversaturated. You search through the database, right? So what Manuels basically did was to search through the database, and you see, so it's going to basically go ahead and confirm it. So yes, I could absolutely confirm that the lane of the military needs for combat is not oversaturated. So yes, I could confirm that is your lane is not oversaturated. I searched through latest YouTube data right here and trends to verify for you. So green zone. So the technique barrier, most military channels just post news cool clips because you are focused on engineering and explaining how things work. It is much harder for other people to like to copy you. So yeah, so the technical barrier right here keeps your confidence low. So high demand, low supply. So yeah, so my research shows that millions of people are searching for topics like that. B12, 21, Air Jones. But yeah, so you guys see these will have valuable things. But yeah, so you want to pay close attention to this. And yeah, I'm out, and this will be in the description. So like I said, I wasn't here to overcomplicate shit. Wasn't here to overbeat your brains in. I'm actually here to help y'all. So yeah, so I'm smoothly just gonna do is smoothly just go over there, and I'm smoothly just gonna open this up real quick. I'm gonna open this up, and like I said, if you don't really take action and stop being lazy and like stop having an ego, you will get things done. If you have an ego, you're not gonna get things done. So like I said, girls have egos. That's why I don't have a girlfriend. That's why I'm single, because I dealt with this shit many times. Like people got egos. They don't, and you know when they got egos, their body can't maneuver. They don't want to get shit done. They start getting arguments with you, fights, and it like hurts your brain cells. So it's not good for your health. And yeah, so like I said, I'm out though, and yeah. Alright, so I'm out, and like I said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna also, so if you guys wanted to, I'm also just go over there. I'm also download this as a PDF, so that way you could go through and go through this right with a PDF file. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to what is called PDF, like the download file. Yeah, not pedophile. I don't play like that. I don't get down with that. I don't play like that at all. So this weird shit. Alright, so I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna basically scroll up. I'm gonna go this right here, so I'm gonna go to PDF right here. I'm gonna download that. Alright, so you wanna make sure that you're putting your source. 10 or 45 seconds. You want to make sure you're doing 45 to 60 second shorts or 1 minute, just so you could basically get pushed. So longer shorts will help you get pushed a lot. So yeah, so I'm gonna scroll up to this. I'm now done with this as a PDF as well. So we want to go through here. A PDF. We want to basically put all of our data here in here, and yeah. So alright, so this should be enough, and yeah. So like I said, I'm ending this video. Thanks guys for tuning in for today's coaching session. I hope you really enjoyed what you came for, and I try to give y'all as best of what y'all come for. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna go through this right here. I'm done with this as well, and I'm gonna put that there so we actually go through it and mainly redo it. And yeah, so I'm gonna also go to here, down with that. I'm gonna go to here PDF, and I'm down with that right here. So I'm gonna go do that, down with that, drag that right there. So yeah, so y'all got multiple of them. And yeah, like I said, I'm not here to overcomplicate things. Not here to beat your brain in. Not here to have chaos. I'm here to actually show y'all ways to grow and work with y'all as a team. Cause like I said, I'm here to coach y'all, and we've been having a lot of wins over here lately. But yeah, so like I said, I'm out though. And guys, like I said, keep moving through it. Don't let your egos kill you. If your egos kill you, you're not gonna get things done. So don't let your egos kill you. And I'll miss you guys in the next video. And like I said, this plan will be in the description. Smoothly check it out. So if you want, this plan right here will be in the description, so you can check it out. But yeah, I'm out. And this is how you find out if your niche is oversaturated and check for your niche lane. But yeah, and like I said, every single and I want to show y'all too. So if we go over to our competitor's channel, every single lane is a bit different. So when gurus say, "Oh, lane," I mean, y'all have different keywords. Y'all have the same. So when you go to make the title, there's a big difference. Like you see, why the B2 is almost silent. If we go over to spooky reds, over bio lanes or lanes is 2 different lanes. So you can see spooky reds. So you can see right here. So if we scroll down to this, you can see 9.9K. We go to right here. So every single military lane is different. So he's talking about military type guns and boats and planes. I'm just talking about boats. I'm talking about boats, navies, and yeah. I'm not talking about guns or military like type people. Like this ain't what this channel's for. So when you know your lane, you know your channel identity. It's easier for you to go route over and over and over again. So that's what you smoothly want to use, smoothly want to learn. So yeah. So like I said, stop having an ego. And when you don't have an ego, like I said, you could get things done. But I'm out to and like I said, I'm not here to fight with y'all. Not here to cause chaos with y'all. I'm not here to do all them type of things with y'all. So yeah, so I'm out. Like I said, Cheers ganging out, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Take care.